This is a brand new 2014 BMW X3. This crossover has an 8-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, BMW Assist, Comfort Access, BMW Apps, a heated steering wheel with audio controls, heated seats, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, xDrive, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, roof rails, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, BMW individual composition, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, and 12 perfectly positioned speakers producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Thank you for considering Isringhausen Imports for your next new or pre-owned luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located in downtown Springfield at 229 East Jefferson. We look forward to serving you.